you and I.
Simply type the command and see what you get. So it's net space use. Okay. Now in this case, new connections will be remembered. I can see the status of it, the local drive that it's attached to, the actual name in the server name share name convention with backslashes, not forward slashes, and the name of the Windows network. If I want to target this specifically towards a host, I can do that as well. Now, what I'm going to do specifically here is I'm going to demonstrate an all session. Okay. Now, this takes advantage of a flaw in the Windows operating system. So first I want to demonstrate it and then I'll explain it. So we're going to go ahead and type this up to 192.168.92.131 backslash, not forward slash, IPC $ space. Then let's give it some options. We're going to do a capital U. I believe you can do a uppercase or lowercase here. But then it's a colon and then two quotes, double quotes, space, two more double quotes. So the forward slash is U, that is for the username. In this case, because the quotes are right next to each other, that basically means nothing. And then, of course, the password comes right behind that. And you can see that it says the command completed successfully. All right. Now, what I've just done is I've reached out from a client to the Windows server, and the way to appreciate this attack, you have to really dig into how operating system architecture works. Now, each operating system has basically a kernel mode and a user mode. The kernel makes the operating system in itself very, very stable and then allows you, the user, to interact with it. So it's kind of like a prevention mechanism to make sure that you can't saw the limb off of the branch that you're sitting on. It's only an environment simulating to you. So even though that you're maybe logged in as administrator, it's still not the most powerful thing on the actual software and hardware interaction. So by connecting to NetUse to the actual IPC $ with no username and no password, I'm actually tricking the computer to answering like an administrator. So normally I'm a human doing this to another computer, but the destination doesn't really care if I'm a human or a computer, and then responds with basically kernel level access, giving me access to all sorts of detailed information when I look at running my reports against my target. So tools that wouldn't normally work now all of a sudden will work, because I'm now connecting with basically administrative or kernel or operating system level privileges as opposed to a regular generic user. So it's a real easy way to open up Pandora's box, especially when you're doing any sort of scanning or enumeration or basic system hacking tools. So that's the NetUse command. Thank you for watching. My name is Leo Drager. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube,